But on the last date and sought instructions with regard to petitioner number 2 क्योंकि उनका promotion भी होना था, but because D was pending and subsequently he was cleared. So what had happened, my lord, sir, asked me. My lord, I've asked them, my lord, since it's an old record, they are searching. So 2-3
Searching मतलब?
पुराना record है sir. Okay.
पुराना कितना? मैडम से ज्यादा पुराना थोड़ा ना होगा.
हो सकता है सर. होने में तो कुछ भी हो सकता है.
Probably they are all retired, even they are not in.
नहीं, but that doesn't matter. I will not say no pleading, no instruction. ऐसा नहीं बोलेगा.
I'm not.
And madam is not going to retire like this.
No, not at all. Not at. She'll be as young as she was always.
चलिए, तो अब आप बताइएगा क्या करना है.
सर थोड़ा सा समय दे
कितना
दीजिए.
समय चाहिए?
मेरे को 10 दिन का समय दे दीजिए.
ठीक है.
सर वेकेशन के बाद लगा दें, फिर 10 दिन बोलते रहेंगे. वेकेशन के बाद ही लगा दें.
10 दिन में एडवांटेज रहेगा. आप खुद बताइएगा. चौबे जी को भेज दीजिए.
नहीं. It's always a pleasure to be before my lord, sir.
Thank you, madam. Thank you. देखिएगा, श्रीमती शोभा मेनन for the petitioner, learned senior advocate assisted by Shri Rahul Chaube, Shri Anup Nair, learned senior advocate assisted by
Devyani Singh.
Miss Devyani Singh, submits that some more time be granted to the authorities to locate the record and take an appropriate decision. वैसे भी जब वो exonerate हो गया तो आपको देना ही है.
होना ही चाहिए.
जानकी रमन से उसको पहले से देना ही है आपको.
तो ऐसे डिस्पोज ऑफ ही कर दें. If he has been there, ऐसा कुछ कर दें सर.
परमिशन तो हमने मांगा
नहीं किया तो कर दीजिए प्रमोशन
कर दीजिएगा.
डेट से.
10 दिन के बाद.
अरे ऐसा लिख के खत्म कर देते हैं ना इसमें. आप ठीक है ना. इतना petitioner's contention is that
ठीक है ना.
petitioner was denied promotion to the post of petitioner number 2
Yes,
was denied promotion to the post of
But even grade.
even great.
even grade on account of pendency of some departmental inquiry. Full stop. Now it has come on record that in the departmental inquiry, petitioner was exonerated. Where is that order?
My lord, R7 with my IA number 57682.
57682. अटेंड काम कराते हैं अनुज जी आप.
Sir,
57.
my lord, IA number 7682. my lord.
अरे अभी फिर वही आपने 57 कर दिया था. 7682 बटे 2012.
R7 देखिए उसमें sir documents.
R7 तो लगाए ही नहीं इसमें आपने.
Yes sir, page 4.
R7 whereby the general manager within bracket P/EE bracket close informed that in which it is mentioned that Shri G.C. Srivastava was exonerated in the above case as informed from the Vigilance Department of NCL, due to which his VC/DC status is now clear. Full stop. In view of such facts, that once petitioner cleared the departmental inquiry, his sealed cover is required to be opened in light of the law laid down by Supreme Court in KV Janki Raman.
1991.
AIR 1991
Supreme.
SC 2
So 10 something.
23
1062 if I'm not wrong. 90.
109 लिख लीजिएगा. उसका इक्विवेलेंट AIR का भी लिख लेना देख के.
AIR is 1062 ऐसे कुछ.
हाँ नहीं 2000 कुछ है.
2000 है.
पेज नंबर 2 कुछ है.
2000.
चलिए. In view of the said facts, if petitioner is yet not promoted, then his case be processed and he be granted promotion with all notional benefits, all consequential benefits within 30 days of receipt of certified copy of the order. In above,
If not given, then it should be.
हाँ, वही तो लिख-
Greatly obliged. Greatly
Petitioner is
obliged.
disposed of.
Okay, not disposed. 2010, right. 2010, right. My laws is correct.
Serial number 135, Shri Atul Chaudhary,